Hey there, Jonesy here from the XiP 3D support team, and I'm going to show you a couple different ways to remove support structures from your printed parts. As you can see, I'm using the flush cutters from the finishing kit. The finishing kit should have come with your XiP shipment. However, if it didn't, or if you find that you're missing some components, reach out to us at support@xip3d.com and we'll get you hooked up. I know I'm fumbling a bit with the flush cutters here. I swear it's really not that difficult. I'm just trying to keep things in focus. However, some contact points are soft enough that you can just tear them off, like so. Look at that. So fresh and so clean. The flush cutters are especially handy for getting into little nooks and crannies where there might be extra supports. We've also included a couple of files so that you can really get in there and sand down any nubbins you find in the aforementioned nooks and crannies. We'd also recommend using a fine grit sandpaper and try wet sanding your part to get a smoother finish.